Hi guys, this is me, Kong, again from Posh Coaching Classes. Thanks for staying with me, and thanks for the likes and the views that you're giving us. So thank you so much for that. I want and I hope that you share these videos with your friends as well. So today we are going to continue the topic, the 10th class topic, what we were doing earlier. So we started chapter that was chapter number 8, and that was trigonometry, and we are done with the basics of trigonometry. Then we are done with even exercise first, that is 8.1. so today we are going to start 8.2, and hopefully we will finish that in today's video as well, because the exercise is not that big enough, so we will just finish it in one go, right? So if you have not seen the previous video, you have the link. You will see it in the description, you will see it in the I button as well. So please do watch that video as well, because that is beneficial to you. So now in today's exercise, we are going to use the trigonometric table that I spoke about and that I actually showed you how to make that table. You can memorize it, as I said earlier as well. You can memorize the table, and at the same time, if you can't memorize the table, I have showed you the way how you can make the table as well. So let me go ahead and start with the exercise. I'm talking about question number 1. So the question number 1 has got few parts. So I will be starting with the first one, and the first one says sine 60 degree, then I have cos 30 degree, afterwards I have plus sine 30 degree, and then cos 60 degree. Okay, so this is the question. So what to do with these type of questions? We have the values in the table that is already we have studied about that table, that's given in your book as well. So this is sine 60, then we have cos 30, then we have sine 30 and cos 60. If we look at the table, you will find the value of sine 60 will be under root 3 upon 2. Okay, and then if I talk about cos 30, again the value of cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2. Then we have the plus sign. Then we are talking about sine 30, that is 1 upon 2. Then we have cos 60, it is again 1 upon 2. So what are we supposed to do now? We are supposed to multiply, because we have a multiplication in between. So it is root 3 into root 3, it is root 3 square. Then we have 2 multiplied by 2, that becomes 4. Then what do we have this side? It is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So square root and square gone. So we have 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Let's take the LCM. We have the denominators and the LCM similar. So that means whatever is in the numerator, we will write that itself. So it is 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So the answer is 1. Clear? Nothing big thing I have done here. It's simple. I have used the table, and with the table I have got these values. Just put the values and solve it, you will get the answer, right? I hope this is clear. If you want to make a note of it, pause the video and do make a note of it. Okay, so let me go to part number 2. So this is part number 1. We have to use the same trigonometric table in almost all the questions, even in all the parts as well, just a few here and there. Now the second part says 2 tan square 45 degrees, then we have plus cos square 30 degree, then we have minus sine square 60 degree, sine square 60 degree. Okay, you can see we have the values. We can see the value of tan 45 in that table, then we have cos 30 again in that table, and sine 60, we will have that there itself. So tan 45, it is tan square 45. So tan 45 is 1, we will put a square here. Why? Because tan 45 is 1, then there is a square, so we'll keep it here. Then we have cos 30. If we see, cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2. So it is under root 3 upon 2. Square again, because we have a square. Then sine 60 degrees is again under root 3 upon 2 square. Okay, now if I see it carefully, I have positive under root 3 upon 2 square and then negative under root 3 upon 2 square. I'll just cancel this here itself. You can solve it as well. End of the day it will get cancelled, but better to make it here. So what we have 2 multiplied by 1 square is 1, that is 2, and so. Pretty simple. So let me go to the next one. As I said earlier, you can pause the video and make a note of it. So let me go to part number 3 of question number first. That is third part. Now what do we have? We have cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 upon, we have sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Is that the one? Yes, that's the one. Now we need to put the values. Cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Then we have sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 upon under root 3. We have then cosec 30. So cosec 30 is just 2. Okay. Now what can I do here? This thing remains the same as it is. Here I can take the LCM. I have the LCM as root 3. So it is root 3 and root 3. Denominator and LCM are same. So we will put a 2. And then 2 multiplied by root 3 is 2 root 3. Clear? Now what can I do? It's 1 upon under root 2 multiplied by reciprocating. It becomes 3 under root 3, 2 plus 2 under root 3. Now what else we can do? We can multiply. It's 1 into under root 3 is under root 3. Then we have under root 2, 2 plus 2 under root 3. Then what happens? It's root 3. 2 into under root 2 becomes 2 under root 2. Then we have 2 under root 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, so actually the question ends here, but we know for a fact that we can't have roots in the denominator, so we will do rationalization. So it is 2 under root 2 minus 2 under root 6, then 2 under root 2 minus 2 under root 6. Okay, now what we can do, we can multiply under root 3 with 2 under root 2 minus 2 under root 6. Here this is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we have a square minus b square. Clear? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this side now because I have a space here. So now what I can do, I can multiply root 3 with 2 under root 2. So what does that become? It becomes 2 under root 6. Then minus sign, we have 2. Then there is 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18, upon, this is 2 square. Then we have under root 2 square, because this square is with 2 as well as with under root 2. Then minus 2 square, and then we have under root 6 square. Is that clear? Now this thing can't be changed. 2 under root 6 minus 2. Here I can write 9 multiplied by 2, because 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Then this square and this root gone, this square and this root gone. What do I have? I have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, then 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Right? Now I'm just writing it here now. So now this remains 2 under root 6. Here I can do minus here. This is under root 3 square and then under root 2. Why? Because 9, it is 3 multiplied by 3, so it is 3 square. So that's what I have done here. Here 88 minus 24. So 8, if I take 24 and 8 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 6 and 1. So it is 16, but there is a minus here. Okay. Now what else we can do? This and this is gone. So we have 2 under root 6. Then we have minus 6 under root 2 upon 16. I mean minus 16. Now what I can do, I can take minus 2 common. Just to take this minus off, I can take minus 2 common. So I have minus under root 6 plus 3 under root 2 upon minus 16. This minus and minus gone, 2 8s. So what we have, I'll put this first. This is 3 under root 2 minus under root 6 upon 8 is the answer. This was a bit lengthier one, so I'm just checking the answer. We have 3 under root 2, then we have under root 6 minus 8. So I'll just repeat it one more time for you guys. Here it was the same thing, we had to put the values. That's what I did. Then what I did, I reciprocated the bottom one and we got this. Then multiplied the things, we got this. We could have stopped here, but we know that there should not be, roots in the denominator. So what I did the rationalization part. I got this thing, and afterwards, mind you, we have this part. After this, we have to do this, and after this, we went here. So we got the answer, and just to take this minus out of the picture, I took a minus common from here. So this is how it is done. I hope this is clear to you. If you have doubt, please do comment below. So I will definitely get back to you on this. So, but this is not that difficult. So make a note of this. I will go to the next one. You can pause the video. Now we have the fourth part. Don't get afraid of trigonometry because it gives you a lot of marks, and marks are very much important when it comes to your academics. So now let's move to part number 4. What do we have? We have, it's quite a big one. It says 5 cos square 60 degree, cos square 60 degree. Then what do we have? We have plus 4 sec square 30 degree, sec square 30 degree. Then what do we have? We have minus tan square 45 degrees, minus tan square 45 whole divided by, we have sec square 30 degree, and then we have its sine square. I'm sorry about that. This is sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Is that it? Yes, we have the same thing. So now what do I have to do? This 5 remains as it is. Put the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So I'll put a 1 upon 2 here, but there is a square, so let there be a square. Plus 4. What is sec 30? If you check the table, sec 30 is 2 upon under root 3. Square, because there is a square. What is tan 45? It's 1 square. Whole divided by sine 30. What do we have? We have sine 30 as 1 upon 2, but there is a square, so let us put a square. Then there is cos 30, that is root 3 upon 2. And we have a square as well. Now let's solve the things. We have 5, so I'll put a 5. Then we have 1, that is 1 square, that is 1 itself. Then 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4. Then we have 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then root 3 square remains just 3 here, minus 1 upon, now we have 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then root 3 square gone, root and square gone, so we have 3 upon 4. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply. So it is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 upon 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 upon 3 minus 1. And here what I have, I'll take LCM as 4. Then we have 1 plus 3. Why? Because the denominators and LCM, they're both the same. So write the numerator as 1 and 3. Now let's take the LCM here. So we have an LCM, and the LCM is 4 and 3. They don't come in one table, so let's multiply them. That is 12. Now 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, so 3 multiplied by 5, 15. Then we have plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, then 4 into 16, 64, minus 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Whole divided by, this is 1 plus 3, that is 4 upon 4. Now I have to add this and then take that off. So 15 and 64, 9, 7, that is 79. Take the 12 off. So we have 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 67. This is anyways gone. So this is 67 upon 12. So that's what our answer is. Let me check if we have the right answer. That's absolutely the right answer. So this is the answer and this is the procedure. So I hope you got this. Put the values, do the mathematical part, and you will get the answer. I hope this is clear. So let me move to the next one. This finishes, I think, our first question. Yes, that's okay. So we have four. Okay, there's one more part here. This is the fourth part. Now we have one more part. Actually, I did the fifth one first. We have the fourth part as well. So let me do that as well. So this is part number 5 actually, and now I'm going to do part number 4. Okay, so part number 4 is sine 30 degree. Then we have plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree whole divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degrees. Okay, get into the table and let's see the values. So we have sine 30, that is 1 upon 2. Tan 45, that is 1. Cosec 60 is 2 upon under root 3. Whole divided by, we have sec 30, 2 upon under root 3. Sec 30, and then we have cos 60, that is 1 upon 2. And then we have cot 45, that is again 1. Let's take the LCM first. So LCM here we have 2 under root 3. If we see here 2 and 2 gone, through under root 3 into 1 is under root 3. We don't have a denominator here, straight away multiply. So 2 under root 3 into 1 is 2 under root 3 minus under root 3 gone, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Whole divided by, here also we have the same LCM because we have under root 3 and 2 here. So 2 under root 3, under root 3 gone, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 and 2 gone, under root 3 into 1 is under root 3, then 2 under root 3 into 1 is 2 under root 3. Clear? Now what next? If I see here, it's 3 under root 3 plus 2 under root 3. So it becomes 3 under root 3. And then I have minus 4 whole divided by 2 under root 3. Then again here I have 3 under root 3 and 2 under root 3, that is 3 under root 3. And now I have plus 4 and then whole divided by 2 under root 3. Okay, reciprocating, what do we get? There's 3 under root 3 minus 4, 2 under root 3 multiplied by 2 under root 3 divided by 3 under root 3 plus 4. This and this is gone. Now we have 3 under root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 under root 3 plus 4. If you remember in my previous question also, we had a root in the denominator. So what we did the rationalization. So we will do the same rationalization here itself. So it is 3 under root 3 plus 4. I'll take 3 under root 3 minus 4, 3 under root 3 minus 4. Now if we see the upper side, the numerator, it's 3 under root 3 minus 4, 3 under root 3 minus 4. That is 3 under root 3 minus 4 whole square. And down here in the denominator, it's a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Right? Now, this is a minus b whole square. So we know that is a square, that is 3 under root 3 square, plus b square, that is 4 square, minus 2, then we have a, that is 3 under root 3, then we have b, that is 4. And now here it's 3 square, then under root 3 square, then we have 4 square. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then under root 3 square is just 3. Then we have 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. Then we have minus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 root 3. Now here what do we have? 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Then we have 3 because under root and square gone. And then we have 16. So this is 9 3 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3. Here what do we have? 9 3 27 minus 16. So if I add 27 and 16, we have 6 6 12 13 2 3 4. We have 43 here. So it is 43 minus 24 under root 3, and then 27 minus 16, 27 16, 7 minus 6 1, 2 minus 1 1. So we have 11. So that's what our answer is. So let me see if the answer is correct. It's 43 minus 24 under root 3 upon 11. That's the answer. So I hope you got this one as well. This is very simple. Again, the same formula. Put the values, get it done. Do the rationalization. Any problems, do message me. So pause the video and make the note of it. Now I will move to question number 2. Question number 2, again, in that question also, I think we have to use the table, because in the entire exercise, we are supposed to use the table. So let's see what question number 2 is all about. So question number 2, we have parts there as well. So question number 2 starts with saying, choose the correct option and justify your choice. So we have a question. Actually, we have a multiple choice question. We have 4 answers and we need to get one of them. So what is the first part? It says 2 tan 30 degrees. 2 tan 30 whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. That's about it? Yes. So we have 4 options here. What are the 4 options? It says the answer could be sine 60 degree. Then we have cos 60 degree, then we have tan 60 degree, and then we have sine 30 degree. So let's see where we will go. So what do we have to do? Use the table. 2 remains same. Tan 30. If I talk about tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. 1 plus tan 30 is again 1 upon under root 3, but we have a square here. Now 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 upon under root 3. Then 1 plus 1 square is 1. Under root 3 square will be 3. Now what do we have? 2 upon under root 3. And then we'll take an LCM here. This is 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 1. Now, if I say 3, okay, it's 2 under root 3 upon, and then we have 4 upon 3. Now 2 upon under root 3. Now we can reciprocate 3 upon 4. Okay. Now what we can do? We can take this 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now here if you see, it is 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, and then we have 2 root 3. If I say, for example, just notice what I'm doing. If I write under root 3, this is what I'm trying to tell you. And again, one more under root 3. What does that become? It becomes under root 3 square. So I can say under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 is 3. You understanding my point? So that's what I'm going to do. Under root 3, I'll take this off with this and I will say under root 3. So what do I have? I have under root 3 upon 2. Now I need to see in the table where can I find this under root 3 upon 2. If you have the book with you, please go through and see under root 3 upon 2 will give us sine 60. So the A part, I think that's the A part. Yes, A part is sine 60. So the answer is sine 60. Okay. You may have under root 3 upon 2 at more than one places. So you need to see the first one and obviously the options that have been given to you. So we have the option of sine 60, so I have taken this as answer, right? That's clear. And mind you, this is an important question. You need to understand this question comes in your paper, your examination quite often. So just make sure that you are good enough with this as well. So this finishes our part number first of question number 2. Let me go to part number 2. Now part number 2 says 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Now, what are the options given? We have again 4 options. It says tan 60, then we have 1, then we have sine 45, and then we have 0 as well. So there can be one of the answers here. So let us see which one is the correct one. So let me first put the values. So 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So it's 1 square. Then we have 1 plus tan 45 is 1 square. What does it become? It becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Now, very simple, 1 minus 1, 0 upon 2. 0 divided by anything is 0. So straight away, we have 0 in the option, and that is part D. So D is the answer. Right? I hope this is clear to you all. Very simple. Good one. So let's go to part number 3 now. Now the part number 3, let me see what it says. Now part number 3 says, okay, we have sine 2a. Sine 2a is equal to twice sine a. Is true. It says this condition will be true when we have the value of a should be maybe 0, maybe 30, maybe 45 or 60. Now let's get into the table. If you guys have the table in front of you, you can see sine 0 is 0. So we do have an option here A. So if I put, if I say here sine 2, I'll put a 0 in place of A. Here also twice sine 0. So what does this mean? It says sine 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, then 2 sine 0. Sine 0 in the table will be 0, and 2 multiplied by 0, because sine 0 is 0, 0, 2 multiplied by 0, LHS is equal to RHS. So what does this mean? This means this is true when the value of A is 0. So which part was that? That was part number A. So A is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Perfect. So let's move to part number 4 of this particular question. Okay, part 4. Now what does it say? It says 2 tan 30 degrees. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 minus tan square 30. Now we have 4 options: cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So let's see. First of all, I'll put the values. 2 tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 3. Do we have a square in the numerator? No, we don't. Now it's 1 minus 1 upon under root 3. We have a square here, so we'll put 2. So what do we have now? We have 2 upon under root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 square is 1, under root 3 square is 3. So now let me move this side. It's 2 upon under root 3. Let's take the LCM. We have 3 LCM here. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus LCM and denominator same. So let's put the 1 here. So it is 2 upon under root 3 divided by 2 upon 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. What do we have? We have 2 upon under root 3 into reciprocating 3 upon 2. So this and this gone. Now what do I have? I have 3 upon under root 3. If you remember, just a few questions back, I said under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 will be 3. So I'll take this and this will be this. In case if you have doubts here, if you are saying that you can't do this one, let me show you another way. It's 3 upon under root 3. What do we do when we have a root in the denominator? Obviously we do rationalization. So you can do the rationalization. Let's see what happens. This becomes 3 under root 3. We have under root 3 square. This square and the square gone. 3 and 3 also gone. Still we have the value under root 3. Right? So you can do this way or even that way. So whichever is good to you, you can use that way. Now the question arises, now we have 4 options. So the 4 options are cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So if we look at the table, the trigonometric table, you will have the value of tan 60 as root 3. So tan 60 is part number C. So option C is the answer. Clear? Wonderful. So this is part number 4 and the last part of this particular question. So we are done with this as well. Please do subscribe to the channel, guys, because I do a lot of things and I try to make a lot of videos for you, and I will be making many more in the future as well. So please do subscribe. Ask your friends to subscribe to the channel. The name, as you know, is Posh Coaching Classes. So please do subscribe. Okay, now we have one more question. That's question number 3. It says if tan a plus b is under root 3. So this is a very important question, by the way. It says tan a plus b is equal to under root 3. Okay, at the same time it says tan, and then a plus b, and then we have a minus b is under root. Okay, we have tan a minus b equal to 1 upon under root 3. So we have been given 2 conditions. Now what are we supposed to get? Okay, we are supposed to get the values of a and b. Okay, so let's take this one first. So this I will write as it is, tan a plus b. If you look at the table again, the table is the hero of this particular exercise. So if you look at the table, you will see the value of tan 60 as under root. I'll just check it, double check it. So we have tan a plus b. Okay, so under root 3. Yes, so that is tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degree is under root 3. So what next we can do? Tan and tan gone. We have a plus b equals to 60. Let's keep it this way. Now here I'll say tan a minus b. Again, look into the table and see where do we have tan 1 under root 1 upon under root 3. That is tan 30 degrees. Okay, here also I'll take tan and tan off. We have a minus b equals to 30. Now let this be first and this be second. Now I need to get the values. So what I will do, I'll say adding first and second. We have, what do we have? We have a plus b plus, because we are adding, a minus b equals to 60 plus 30. This b positive and b negative gone, so we have twice a equals to 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 upon 2, so 45. So the value of a is 45 degrees, right? Now obviously we need to find the value of b. So what are we going to do? Substitute the value of a in either of the one. You can take either this or that, that's your choice. In second, so we have a minus b equals to 30 degree. A has got the value, that is 45, minus b equals to 30, minus b equals to 30, plus 45 goes that side, it becomes minus 45, minus b is equal to minus 15, minus and minus gone, so we have the value of b also, that is 15 degrees. Let me check the answer. So we have A as 45 and B as 15. Hope you got this question, because I said in the beginning itself, it's a very important question of this particular exercise, and you have the two equations given. You need to again check into the table, that where do we find root 3 in tan, and where do we find 1 upon root 3 in tan. Why only tan? Because we have a tan on the left side, either of the equations. So if we take any other option here, we won't be able to cancel it. So obviously we need tan both the sides, so we can cancel it. Then we have the two equations, and using the elimination method, or whatever method you call it, you can add both the things and you will get the answer. I hope this is clear. This finishes your exercise number 8.2. So that was the last question. The next one, there is one more question, but that is true false. You can do it by yourself. So that finishes your exercise number 8.2. I hope this exercise is pretty much clear to you guys. Again, I will say and request you all that please do subscribe to the channel, because we need you, we need your help, we need your support. Please do ask your friends, your near and dear ones to support us and subscribe to our channel. So this is me. Thank you for staying with me, and this is me signing off for today. I will see you in the next one. All right, you have a wonderful time. Take care.